I am at home. It is evening. I put my bag down. I take off my shoes. I walk into the living room. The light is on. I sit on the couch. I lean back. I look around the room. Everything looks normal. I reach for the remote. I press a button. Nothing happens. I press it again. Still nothing. I look at the remote. I turn it over. I press another button. No response. I sit up. I look at the TV. The TV is on, but the sound is low. I press the volume button. Nothing changes. I sigh a little, not loud. I look at the remote again. Maybe the batteries are dead? I stand up. I walk to the coffee table. I put the remote down. I tap it once. I pick it up again. I shake it gently. No sound inside. I walk to the kitchen. I open a drawer. Forks, spoons, knives. No batteries. I close the drawer. I open another one. Napkins, old papers, a pen. No batteries. I close it. I walk to the hallway. I open the small closet. Cleaning stuff is there. I look on the shelf. Nothing useful. I close the closet. I scratch my head. I walk to the bedroom. I open the nightstand. I look inside. Books. A charger. I move things around. I look again. I see 2 batteries. One AA, one AAA. Not the same. I take them anyway. Maybe they work. I walk back to the living room. I sit on the couch. I turn the remote over. I look for the back. I slide the cover. It comes off. 2 batteries inside. They look old. I take them out. I put them on the table. I look at the new ones. They are different. I try anyway. One fits, one does not. I take them out again. That will not work. I put the old batteries back. I close the cover. I press a button. Nothing. I look at the TV again. Still quiet. I stand up again. I walk closer to the TV. I press the button on the TV. The sound goes up. Okay, that works. I sit back down. The sound is fine, but the remote still does not work. I look at the remote again. I press the power button. Nothing. I tap it on my hand. Just a little. I press again. Still nothing. I lean forward. I look at the bottom. I clean it with my thumb. Just in case. I try again. No change. I put the remote down. I look at the ceiling. I think for a moment. I could leave it like this. I can use the TV buttons, but that is annoying. I stand up again. I walk to the desk. I open a drawer. Cables are inside. Old batteries. Different sizes. I dig around. I find 2 AA batteries. They look okay. I take them. I feel hopeful. I walk back to the couch. I sit down again. I open the remote. I take the old batteries out. I put the new ones in. They fit. I close the cover. I hold the remote. I press the power button. The TV turns off. I smile. That worked. I press it again. The TV turns on. I press the volume button. The sound goes up. I nod. Good. I put the remote down. I lean back. I feel satisfied. Just a little. I fixed one small thing. I stay on the couch. I watch the screen. I sit on the couch. The TV is on again. I pick up the remote. I press a button. The channel changes. Good. I press another button. The sound goes down. I press it again. Up. I smile a little. It works now. I place the remote on the table, carefully. I lean back. I rest my head. The couch feels soft. I feel relaxed. I watch the screen. Images move. I do not really watch. I just look. I hear a small noise, a click. I pause. I listen. The noise comes again. From the lamp. I look to the side. The lamp flickers. The light goes dim, then bright. I sit up. I watch it. It flickers again. That is not good. I stand up. I walk to the lamp. I touch the switch. It feels warm. I turn it off. The room gets darker. I turn it on again. The light flickers. I sigh quietly. Not again. I bend down. I look at the cord. The cord looks fine. No cuts. I follow it with my hand. It goes to the wall. I look at the plug. It is loose. I push it in. Firmly. I stand up again. I flip the switch. The light stays on. No flicker. I nod. That helps. I walk back to the couch. I sit down again. I pull the blanket over my legs. Just a little. I feel comfortable now. Warm. I look at the coffee table. It looks messy. A book, a cup, some papers. I move the cup. I put it closer to the edge. I stack the papers. They look better. I place the book on top. Nice. I pick up my phone. I check the screen. No new messages. That is fine. I lock the phone. I place it face down. I watch the TV again. People are talking. I listen for a bit. Then I lose focus. I hear another sound. This time from the kitchen. A drip. Drip. I sit still. I listen. Drip. Again. I stand up again. I walk to the kitchen. I turn the light on. The sink is wet. I look at the faucet. Water drops fall. I turn the handle. Tighter. The drip slows, then stops. I wait. I watch. No more drops. Good. I wipe the sink with a towel. Water goes away. I hang the towel back. I step away. I look around the kitchen. Everything looks okay. I open the fridge. Cold air comes out. I grab a bottle of water. I close the fridge. I take a sip. Cold and nice. I walk back to the living room. I sit down again. I place the bottle on the table, next to the remote. I stretch my legs. Slow stretch. I feel a small ache. Then it goes away. I rest my feet. I relax. I look at the lamp again. The light is steady. I feel good about that. 2 small things fixed. I lean back more. I breathe out. The room feels calm, quiet. I watch the screen again. I follow the story a little. I press pause. I stand up. I go to the window. I look outside. It is dark now. A few lights are on. A car passes by. Then quiet. I close the curtain. I walk back. I sit on the couch again. Same spot. I pick up the remote. I press play. The show starts again. Sound is fine. I nod once, satisfied. I did not fix everything, but enough. I stay on the couch. I watch quietly. The TV plays in front of me. I watch for a moment. Then my eyes drift. I notice the door. It is not fully closed. I stand up. I walk to it. I push it gently. It closes with a soft sound. I check the lock. It clicks. I turn around. I walk back. I sit down again. Same spot. I pull the blanket higher, just a bit. I feel warm now. Comfortable. I hear a small sound, a creak. I look under the couch. Nothing there. I listen again. Quiet. I pick up my phone. I check the time. It is not late. Still evening. I put the phone down, face down. I stretch my arms. Up, then down. I feel my shoulders loosen. That feels good. I look at the table again. Something is off. One leg looks uneven. Just a little. I touch the table. It moves. I press down. It wobbles. I sigh quietly. Another small thing. I bend down. I look at the leg. There is a small pad under it. It is loose. I pull it off. I look at it. It is worn, almost flat. I walk to the drawer. I open it. Old pads, random things. I dig around. I find a new pad. I walk back. I place it under the leg. I press the table. No wobble. I nod. That is better. I sit back down. The table feels solid. I rest my hands on it. It stays still. I smile a little. Small win. I turn my attention back to the TV. People are talking again. I follow the story. For a while. Then I notice the air. It feels dry. I stand up. I walk to the thermostat. I look at the number, a bit high. I turn it down, just 1 degree. I wait. Nothing changes yet. I walk back. I sit down. I rub my hands together. They feel dry. I think about lotion. I stand up again. I walk to the bathroom. I open the cabinet. I find the bottle. Half full. I squeeze some out. I rub my hands. It smells light, clean. I close the bottle. I put it back. I walk back to the living room. I sit again. I feel more comfortable now. Everything feels better. I look around the room. Light steady. TV working. No dripping. No wobbling. I feel satisfied. Quiet satisfied. I pick up the remote. I lower the volume. I like it softer. Background sound. I lean back. I rest my head. I breathe out slowly. End of day. I glance at the kitchen. The light is off. Good. I glance at the hallway. All quiet. I check the door again. Still locked. I sit still. No need to move. I let the show play. I watch without thinking much. I feel calm. Not tired yet. I adjust the blanket one last time. Just right. I stay on the couch. Everything works now. At least for tonight.